our president has told us. Your Excellency, now it's my duty to invite you, my brother Rigathi, Mama Dorcas, Mama Rachel, to step forward and receive a gift of Bibles donated by Oasis Publishers. Where's Chepkonga? I think come up, Your Excellency, for the better view, and demonstrate. Well done. When you go to the men's conference, walk the same way, and you'll be acquitted of all the charges. Your Excellency, this is a Bible for you. Mama Rachel, this is a Bible for you. Brother Rigathi, Your Excellency, this is a Bible for you. Mama Dorcas, this is a Bible for you. And may these Bibles be part of the journey to a more hopeful Kenya as we believe in the Word of God. Thank you. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Let me call Cosmas Gatere, Esquire, to give the last prayer.
Thank you very much, Senator.